Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to pin chats in WhatsApp. Pinning a chat keeps your most important conversations at the top of your chat list, no matter how many new messages you get. So in order to pin your chat, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device first. Once you're inside the home page or the chat page of WhatsApp, go ahead and open up a conversation from the conversation thread. Once you open up a conversation thread, go ahead and press and hold on a conversation you want to pin. After you open up a conversation, go ahead and select a conversation you want to pin. After you press and hold on to that, in the pop-up, click on Pin. Now, select how long your pin is gonna last. You can choose from 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. After you do that, you will be able to pin a message. You can go ahead and unpin the message whenever you want. Simply press and hold the pin icon at the top left, and in the pop-up, tap on Unpin. Right after you do that, you will be able to pin and unpin a chat from your chat list. That is how you can easily pin chats in WhatsApp. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe so that you never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.